skip my friend, skip. Go to someone who wanted you. Wallahi, if you skip me, you will kill me and my family. And Allah will see you will skip this video without using my audio, because we will not forgive you. Anyone who watching this video, don't share it and don't helping us, my friend. Go skip, kill us. Hasbi Allah wa ni'mal wakil. Please, my friend, 1 minute, I am reading Quran. Please listen to me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب وقرآن مبين ربما يود الذين كفروا لو كانوا مسلمين ذرهم يأكلوا ويتمتعوا ويلههم الأمل فسوف يعلمون وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا ولها كتاب معلوم. صدق الله العظيم. Thank you for listening to the Quran, my friend. Please, everyone, I have GoFundMe campaign. Go to my link, go to my bio. I have link the bio. Please click in bio. Help for my family, my friend, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.